And now I would like to call upon President Pakistan Society of Neurology, Professor Mohammad Salim Badej, for welcoming guest and few words for today's session.
Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Mala Khan Yasin Sahab, Professor Mohammad Wase, Guest of Honor, Honorable Delegate, distinguished guests, respected ladies and gentlemen. It's a moment of great privilege and honor for me to welcome you all on the behalf of Pakistan Society of Neurology for today's 27th Annual Neurology Conference in the fabulous city of Quetta. I'm very much grateful to everyone for their precious time to have joined us on this propitious occasion. I'm also indebted to those who have traveled that far to participate in the conference and those colleagues who are joining us online. Before proceeding ahead, I would like to pay my greatest respect, deep condolences, and well-deserved tributes to all our colleagues, frontline workers, doctors, health professionals who have lost their lives in the deadly COVID-19 pandemic. It's a great loss of lives indeed, and may their souls rest in peace. I would also really commend those brave health professionals who are serving day in, day out to serve our nation and fighting the deadly pandemic. I'm also extremely grateful to the government for undertaking the great initiatives in fighting the global pandemic. I really appreciate their commitment and hard work. Although was a very difficult decision to organize the face-to-face conference in the current scenario, Alhamdulillah, we managed to achieve it. I'm so very grateful to all my colleagues who made this event possible. I would also like to express my heartiest gratitude to those colleagues who traveled from other cities in these difficult circumstances when third pandemic wave is in its peak. My special thanks to Professor Mohammad Wase, Professor Naila Shehbaz, Professor Memuna, Dr. Malik, Professor Tipu, Dr. Naeem, Dr. Etasham Khalid, Dr. Shoaib Lukman, Dr. Kamnisa, Dr. Shumera, Dr. Jay Singh Rana, and all the other doctors from different institutes of Pakistan for sparing their precious time for today's mega event. My special gratitude to foreign speakers for their valuable contributions to this event and sharing their valuable knowledge. So we have finally managed to come together in Quetta. I'm confident that we would all benefit from rich insight and diverse experience in the conference, and we will marvelous opportunities to share ideas, reflect on practice that will bind us all together. Balochistan has had deprivation for a very long time and has faced social, financial, educational, and health sector challenges as compared to other points of Pakistan. Balochistan, where the institutes of neurological facilities are immensely scarce, our people are very poor. Lack of awareness about the basic health necessities is another topic of this province. Balochistan, the larger province of Pakistan, has its population extremely dispersed, which makes the provision of health services, especially around neurology, extremely difficult. Moreover, neurological disorders like stroke, epilepsy, movement disorders like Parkinson's, infectious brain diseases, neuromuscular disorders, neuropathies, myopathies, degenerative disorders are increasing, which need utmost urgency, attention, and resources to overcome the challenges. The Pakistan Society of Neurology is more than 22 years old and it has established itself as a national body of the neurology, representing the profession in all provinces. Thanks to the transformational leadership of the Pakistan Society of Neurology, their untiring and tireless efforts has made the society more consolidated and needs to further multiply efforts, more effectiveness in the future. Due to COVID-19 restrictions, during the last 1 year, Pakistan Society of Neurology arranged online academic activities on different neurological disorders. My heartiest gratitude to all my section heads for their valuable services and hard work in conducting successful programs in the form of symposium, seminars, walks, awareness programs on stroke, epilepsy, neuromuscular disorders, movement disorder, headache across the country under the umbrella of Pakistan Society of Neurology. I'm so grateful for their cooperation and contribution during the challenging time. I'm sure this conference will provide immense opportunities to engage our panel of distinguished speakers and participants in in-depth discussions, debates on the vital and challenging issues of neurological disorders. I recommend all the participants, especially the young doctors, to capitalize on this opportunity and take full advantage of the valuable insight, but also explore establishing network opportunities. At the end, my special thanks to Dr. Ahmed Wali, Brigadier Khurram Nawaz, and all my organizing committee for their hard work to make this event possible. I once again welcome you all to this annual conference, and I am confident that this would be very great success conference. Thank you all once again. Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Salim Paresh. Good evening, everybody. Now we would like to call upon stage our guest of honor, Dr. Mohammad Wasi.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। सबसे पहले तो मैं शुक्रगुजार हूँ गवर्नर साहब का, यासीन जई साहब, कि वो यहाँ पे तशरीफ लाए और पहले भी 2018 में वो हमारी अपडेट मीटिंग में आए थे। और पाकिस्तान में तमाम सूबों में जो इस वक्त न्यूरोलॉजिकल केयर है, मैं समझता हूँ कि बलूचिस्तान बहुत ही प्रोमिनेंट है न्यूरोलॉजिकल केयर के हवाले से। बहुत अच्छी केयर यहाँ पे अवेलेबल है। सिर्फ कोयटा शहर में हमारे 9 न्यूरोलॉजिस्ट हैं इस वक्त और सब बुलान के साथ एफिलिएटेड है। और पहले हम अभी चंद महीने पहले हमारी मीटिंग हुई थी सेक्रेटरी हेल्थ के साथ, तो उन्होंने इस बात को कमिट किया था कि हम बलूचिस्तान के 8 डिस्ट्रिक्ट के अंदर जो है ना वो स्ट्रोक के और एपिलेप्सी के सेंटर्स खोलेंगे। और उसके अलावा खुशदार मेडिकल कॉलेज और दीगर जो मेडिकल कॉलेज हैं वहाँ पे न्यूरोलॉजी की पोजीशंस क्रिएट की जाएंगी। तो विच इज़ ए गुड न्यूज़ कि यहाँ पे पूरे बलूचिस्तान में अब कोयटा के अलावा और जगहों पे भी न्यूरोलॉजिकल केयर अवेलेबल होगी। और ये बहुत बेहतर है सूरत हाल से कि मैं आपको बताऊं, कुछ अर्से पहले हम लोग मुजफ्फराबाद गए, आज़ाद कश्मीर, और आज़ाद कश्मीर में 11 डिस्ट्रिक्ट हैं और पूरे आज़ाद कश्मीर में मुजफ्फराबाद समेत कोई CT स्कैन नहीं है। तो मुजफ्फराबाद में अगर किसी को स्ट्रोक होता है तो दे हैव टू ड्राइव लाइक 4 hours टू इस्लामाबाद टू गेट ए CT स्कैन। कम से कम हमारे पास बलूचिस्तान में बहुत अच्छे इमेजिंग की फैसिलिटीज मौजूद है, न्यूरोलॉजिकल केयर मौजूद है, इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ साइकेट्री मौजूद है। तो मैं इस पे सब कहता हूँ कि हमें वाकई बलूचिस्तान की हुकूमत को इस पे अप्रिशिएट करना चाहिए। लेकिन साथ साथ ये है कि हमारी सोसाइटी पाकिस्तान में न्यूरोलॉजिकल केयर को बेहतर बनाने के लिए लगी हुई है। आप ये देखें कि कोविड के बावजूद हमने इस बात का एहतमाम किया कि तमाम SOPs के साथ पूरे पाकिस्तान के न्यूरोलॉजिस्ट को जमा किया जाए। उसकी वजह यह कि पाकिस्तान में न्यूरोलॉजिकल केयर को बेहतर करने के लिए बहुत जरूरी है कि डॉक्टर्स को ट्रेन किया जाए। पाकिस्तान में 20 करोड़ की आबादी में से तकरीबन 2 करोड़ अफराद ऐसे हैं कि जिनको कोई ना कोई न्यूरोलॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम है और उसके लिए बड़े पैमाने पर न्यूरोलॉजिस्ट को ट्रेन करने की जरूरत है। हमारे पास सिर्फ 200 न्यूरोलॉजिस्ट हैं, यानी हर 1 मिलियन फर्द के लिए 1 न्यूरोलॉजिस्ट है पाकिस्तान में। तो इस हवाले से ट्रेनिंग फैसिलिटीज को बेहतर करने की जरूरत है और न्यूरोलॉजिकल केयर को बेहतर करने की जरूरत है। हम ये चाहते हैं कि पाकिस्तान के तमाम डिस्ट्रिक्ट में, और अभी हम बलूचिस्तान में तो कम से कम बलूचिस्तान के जो 7-8 मोस्ट पॉपुलेटेड डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स हैं वहाँ पे हर जगह DHQ अस्पतालों के अंदर न्यूरोलॉजी की फैसिलिटीज कायम होनी चाहिए और एपिलेप्सी की और स्ट्रोक की क्लिनिक शुरू होनी चाहिए। और हमारी पाकिस्तान सोसाइटी ऑफ न्यूरोलॉजी और जो भी हमारे पास ह्यूमन रिसोर्स है, हम उनको फुली सपोर्ट करेंगे कि वो यहाँ पे اس طرح کی فیسلٹیز کو شروع کریں. ہم ان کی آن لائن ٹریننگ کریں گے, ہم ان کی سرٹیفکیشن کریں گے اور ساری چیزیں کریں گے. تو یہ بڑی خوشی کی بات ہے کہ لوگ یہاں پہ آج جمع ہیں, اور اس لیے ہم جمع ہیں کہ پاکستان میں نیورولوجیکل کیئر کو بہتر کیا جائے. اور ہم بہت مشکور ہیں گورنر صاحب کے کہ وہ آئے, اور نہ صرف وہ آئے بلکہ انہوں نے تھرو آؤٹ ہمیں سپورٹ کیا ہے بلوچستان کے اندر نیورولوجیکل کیئر کو بہتر کرنے کے لیے. اور ہمیں امید ہے کہ 2021 میں بھی انشاءاللہ ہماری حکومت ایسے اقدامات کرے گی کہ جس کے نتیجے میں بلوچستان میں جو نیورولوجیکل کیئر ہے وہ کوئٹہ سے آگے بڑھ کر, اور ڈاکٹر انجم نے آلریڈی ذوب میں شروع کیا ہوا ہے, احمد ولی نے اور تمام لوگوں نے پلان کیا ہوا ہے کہ ہم تمام ڈسٹرکٹ میں, جعفر آباد میں, چاغی میں, گوادر میں, ہر جگہ جا کے ہم نیورولوجیکل کیئر کو بہتر کریں گے. تو امید ہے کہ انشاءاللہ آئندہ آنے والے سال میں ہم اس کو کرنے میں کامیاب ہوں گے, اور اس کے نتیجے میں یہ والی جو ہماری کانفرنس ہے یہ بلوچستان میں نیورولوجیکل کیئر کو بہتر بنانے میں بہت مفید ثابت ہوگی. تو ایک دفعہ میں بہت شکر گزار ہوں ڈاکٹر سلیم بڑیچ کا اور ان کی ٹیم کا کہ انہوں نے تمام تر مشکلات کے باوجود اس کو آرگنائز کیا. ہم تمام اپنی انڈسٹری کے سپورٹرز کا بہت شکریہ ادا کرتے ہیں کہ انہوں نے ان حالات کے باوجود ہمیں فلی سپورٹ کیا. اور جو ڈاکٹرز دور دور سے آئے, ملتان سے, لاہور سے, اسلام آباد سے, کراچی اور ہر جگہ سے, ان کے بھی ہم شکر گزار ہیں. لیکن سمجھ لیں کہ یہ ہماری سوسائٹی ہے, ہمارا ملک ہے, ہمارے ملک کے لوگ ہیں, اور ہمارا مقصد اور ہدف یہ ہے کہ اس ملک کے عوام کو بہتر نیورولوجیکل کیئر ملے, ان کو بہتر فیسلٹیز ملیں, اور وہ ایک بہتر کوالٹی آف لائف گزار سکیں اگر ان کو دماغی بیماری ہو جائے. تو انشاءاللہ ہماری سوسائٹی آف نیورولوجی اس سلسلے میں کوشش جاری رکھے گی, اور ہمیں امید ہے گورنر صاحب سے بھی اور پوری حکومت سے بھی کہ ہمیں اس میں ان کا پورا تعاون شامل ہوگا, اور آئندہ آنے والے وقت میں ہم اس کو بہتر بنانے میں کامیاب ہوں گے. تھینک یو ویری مچ.
Thank you very much, sir. Now, we are honored to have our Honorable Governor Balochistan, Sir Amanullah Khan Yassin Zai with us. I would like to request him to please come forward and share his valuable words with us.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. President, Pakistan Society of Neurology, Dr. Salim Balech, distinguished guests, Professor Mohammad Wase, prestigious doctors, researchers, and organizers. Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum, and a very good evening to you. It's always been a pleasure for me to attend conferences like this held by the doctors in various fields. And the present one is also, and I'm addressing this conference as chief guest of the 27th National Neurology Conference. It is really an honor for me. Before I proceed with my speech, it would be very unfair if we do not pay tribute to our young and to all the doctors who are fighting in this pandemic at the front line, and also condolences for those who gave their life in the line of duty. And it is my pleasure to be among such renowned neurologists from different parts of the country in this conference. No doubt your graceful appearance and presence will make the conference a flash. In the world of mounting tension, brain disorders are common in our society due to our cultural heritage problem. And I assure you that our present government is endeavoring to and doing all its best to provide the facilities in the hospitals in order to cope with the diseases covering brain disorder. And now Professor Mohammad Wase Sahib has also acknowledged the efforts of the government of Balochistan that neurology services are extended all over Balochistan in different Khuzdar, Lorlai, and other parts of the country, even Gwadar, Turbat. So now we are heading towards progress in this field also. And our people deserve it, because Balochistan being the largest province and the underdeveloped province of the year, most of the people who are living in far-flung areas cannot afford to pay for such expensive treatment of brain disorders. And the government of Balochistan, while extending such facilities to different parts of the country, will help those poor people in getting treatment in this field. and our hospitals have been now, it is heartening to tell you that we have CT scan machines, MRI machines, facilities, and other ventilators are available in the hospitals for which are the vital tools to diagnose and treat the patients. And in the end, I am thankful to all of you who have come all the way from different parts of the country to attend this conference. And for me, it has always been a pleasure to attend conferences like this. And in the past also, I have never refused any conferences held by in different fields like cardiology, pediatrics, any field held by the doctors. I've been there because you are working for the humanity at large. And I hope that this practice will continue. And it is also an honor for me that some of the doctors who are here, it's very difficult to meet them because of their busy schedules. And it is easy to get an appointment from a governor or a president, but it is a bit difficult to get an appointment at one day's call from Dr. Wasi or Dr. Ramasu Sahib. So I'm thankful to you and wish you all the best. I hope that our young doctors who have joined this field of specialization will benefit from your research and your speeches based on research and hard work. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.
We are very lucky that we have a very distinguished guest among us, Professor Aisha Siddiqa, who has joined us now. She is the first female counselor of College of Physician and Surgeon of Pakistan, Quetta chapter, and she is the head of department, head of Gynae department, Civil Hospital, Quetta. So I would like to hear a few words about this today's session. Madam, you please come.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable Governor of Balochistan, Professor Wasi Saab, my class fellow, Professor Salim Badej Saab, and the young neurosurgeon, Dr. Wali Saab. You are Ghulam Wali? Ahmad Wali, sorry. Yes, I know this. You are my mother's neurologist as well. Distinguished guests, Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I want to congratulate the Society of Neurology for holding this conference at this time when the COVID's third layer is at its peak. So the credit goes to the organizing committee, and especially my class fellow, the most hard worker, Professor Salim Badej Saab, who has done all this. I know it's very difficult to organize the conference because I had the experience in 2018 when I had the Society of Obs and Gynaes National Conference here at Quetta. It was very difficult because people from other provinces, they think that they have, I don't know why they have very strange thinkings about Balochistan. My female gynecologist, as well as our professors, male gynecologists, they were very much scared to come to Quetta. But I think by conducting conferences like this will give confidence to our guests. So talking about the today's event, neurology is a minor subject, I think. This society has got less than 200 members, according to my deficient knowledge. But the crowd over here tells something excellent about this society. And really, it's a proud moment for us that here at Quetta, in this COVID era, we have house full with our guests. I wish a very successful conference for our young doctors. And I hope that the seniors who have traveled all the way from all the provinces will share their knowledge. And inshallah, it will help our young doctors to learn from their experiences. I wish a very successful conference and a very pleasant stay for our guests. Thank you very much.
Now, I would like to pay a vote of thanks for all of you who has come and graced our session. First of all, I would like to pay thanks to Honorable Governor Balochistan, Mr. Amanullah Khan Yasinzai, who has come to grace our session. I also thank Professor Mohammad Wase, and who has come for this session. We are also very thankful to our all speakers who are in the country or outside the country, and the foreign speakers who have contributed for this conference. And special vote of thanks for the chairs and co-chairs of all sessions and moderators. I also pay thanks to the organizing committee and the members or the companies, pharmaceutical companies who have contributed us a lot for this. And I can pay thanks to Gates Pharmaceuticals, Genetics, Hilton, HiQ, Helix, Searle, Pharmivo, Genix, Adamji, CCL, Amarant, and Care Pharma. We are also very thankful to our exhibition manager, the Pro Exhibition, and we are also very thankful to the members of the Disease Digest who has covered our session. Now, I would like to start the shield ceremony. So I would request our honorable guest, Mr. Amanullah Khan Yasinzai, to come downstairs and to give shields to our respected participants.
President, Pakistan Society of Neurology, Dr. Mohammad Salim Baresh. Faculty Scientific Session, Dr. Mohammad Wase. Dr. Amanullah Kakar. Brigadier Khurram Haq Nawaz. Dr. Anjum Farooq. Dr. Ahmed Wali. Our guest speaker, Dr. Esham Khalid. You are being a round of applause, please. Research paper presenter, Dr. Sundar Mehtab Shafi. Case presentations, Dr. Sagar Tardlira, Dr. Sadaf Bano, Dr. Anil Kumar, Session Chair, Professor Memuna Siddiqui, Dr. Okay. Dr. Naila Shehbaz, Session Co-Chair, Dr. Abdul Malik,
Now, award for the session moderator, Dr. Janita Zarish. And also award for the CPSP counselor, Madam Aisha Siddiqa. And now our best awards, which are 3 awards. So first award is for Best Advocacy Award for Neurology Services. Goes for Dr. Abdul Malik. Now, the Best Researcher Award goes for Dr. Sajid Hamid. I would like to call upon Dr. Anil Kumar to receive his award. And then our Best Teacher Award for this year goes to Professor Athar Javed, but he is not here. So I would like to call upon Dr. Ehtiam Khalid to receive award for his place. Now, one award goes for the managing editor of the Disease Digest, who is covering our session, Rija Ali. And also award for our event manager, Pro Exhibitions, Mr. Faizan. So now the award also for our exhibitors and companies who have sponsored us. So first of all, I would like to call upon Zishan from Gates Pharma. And now for Mr. Atikullah from Genetics. And one award for Mr. Agha Mohammad Kakar from Hilton. And also for Haji Mumtaz from HiQ. And now I would like to call upon President Pakistan Society of Neurology, Professor Mohammad Salim Badech, to give award for our chief guest, Honorable Governor Balochistan, Mr. Amanullah Khan Yasin Zai. And now one photo session with the governor.